Hi, myself Arvind Mane. I am engineer by profession. I want to be a part-time trader and looking for automation. I was following TradeHull since last 1 year. Ease with which Mr. Imran explained the concept appealed me and I joined the Algo trading course. After 4 sessions, I can say my decision was right. The course content is to the point. Mr. Imran explained the concept in very easy language. USP of this course is the handholding during the practice session. It's very helpful for beginners like me in programming. I must say, Mr. Imran has great patience in explaining the concept to slow learners in Python coding. I recommend the course to the newbies who want to start the algo trading on their own. Algo is the future. Programming background is an added advantage. One request to TradeHull. Most of the working professionals find it difficult to attend morning 10 to 1 p.m. Class on Saturday. Request to change it to the evening to make most out of the session. The serious learners can definitely adjust the time and will get benefited. Thanks.